been starting to feel real suspicious of some shit. But being that I don't have nothing to hide, I told him, come on in. Right? They came in.
Sí. Pero que se pongan ellos acá. Ajá.
They interviewing us right here. Here they interviewing.
Primero pregúntenles a uno por uno si están de manera. Do you want me in the video too? Sure. Okay.
Con su nombre, ¿no? Con su nombre. I will ask the name from everyone and I will ask you if you are here on the
Pásale a la sombra.
Ok, entonces a ver, what's your name? Sí, que te acerques más. Dylan Armstead. How old are you?
You gotta come over here too.
22.
He's not over here. He's not looking at it.
Que si no nos está viendo nosotros, dice.
This one. This one.
Aquel. Ah, sí, que te acerques un poquito más, por favor, médico. Ok.
You gotta look at him. Can you tell him that he gotta look at the
Sí, ok. Name, please?
Logan Leathers.
Logan Leathers. How old are you, my friend?
25.
25.
Ishmael Goodwin.
Ismael?
20.
20.
Marjorie Wade. 18.
18.
Eligio Bishop.
Eligio Bishop.
Armand Palmer.
Armand.
Velvet Marquez.
Melvin Melvin.
Porche Wade.
How old?
31.
31. You look younger.
Kayla Buckner.
Kayla.
Tori Doster.
Okay. Okay. There is about this investigation. We need to know if you guys are here. If anybody is pushing you to be here, obligating to be here. If you guys could leave anytime you decide. Are you free to decide to stay or to leave?
Yes. I'm leaving. I'm leaving.
Les pregunté que si estaban, podían estar aquí por su cuenta, si que podían decidir quedarse o irse, y todos dijeron que sí.
Listen, I want to say something. No, I want to say something.
Con eso es
Everybody keeps talking about me holding people hostage. These people are holding me hostage, okay?
Dice que ellos son los que nos tienen.
They holding me hostage.
No él a ellos. Que nos ayuden a él.
Free chief. That's crazy.
Okay. Ya sería todo, ¿verdad?
So that's what happened. These guys, they came here and they like, yo. They said, yo, listen. I was just joking with them, laughing, chilling. They drunk. They just had some water. You know, we was still shopping for the groceries. And I was like, I let them in. Here's why I let them in. Right? Here's why I let them in. Well, they see us with machetes. This is Mexico. We have machetes. We put them down, and the federales, they come here. They see the machetes on us when we come to the gate. But we tell them they're not. Everybody got a machete out here. These are Mexicans, yo. You know. So they know this machetes for cutting the grass. There's farmers out here. This is what they do. They use machetes to farm the grass. So no one cared about a machete. They wasn't thinking about no machete. You see, they seen us with the machetes. We decided to take them off. Right? And so they interview Eliana. Your Babylon Pops is in the room. They interview her, and then they get all the information, and I want them to get a video. And I tell them, no, get a video, get everything you need, take them throughout the house. I didn't have to do that, but I did because I wanted to make sure that the embassy sees that they're dealing with imbeciles. They're dealing with imbeciles. So now when the information comes back to the embassy, they can say they did a proper investigation through the government here, and that there's none of that going on over here. So when they get these calls, now they got to investigate the people that's calling. Right? So, we got visited by the federales and we let them in. We don't have anything to hide here. I don't have any. My life is public. You understand what I'm saying? When they came in, laughing, they left, laughing, offering me more land, offering me more properties. They said they got better properties for me. They're like, look, we got more land. Right? They took pictures of all the passports. Everything is stamped. Everything is up to date. No one's here illegal. Everything is up to. That's why I didn't take those 3 guys in. You see? Remember those guys that were illegal, that came here, that wanted to join? Remember those guys? And I said, no, you don't have your paperwork. Now you see. Here in Mexico, they respect family, big families. They respect family. They came in, you can feel it. Like, it's not much that you could come in and feel no one's in danger. You come in and you talk to Velvet, you see Velvet, we explain to them body to make sure she was good. One of the guys that came, there was a doctor. They took pictures of Eliana's body to make sure that she was good. Point blank period. We talked about her father and the relationship with her father and what's going on. We told them everything. Everything's recorded. Everything is in the books. Okay? I appreciate you saying that, Reflection. I appreciate the love. You know what I'm saying? So, y'all can go ahead and call in if you got any questions. If you got any questions, call in. Nah, we not going nowhere. I ain't did nothing wrong. And I'm not going nowhere. Now, if you ain't the police and you pull up here, you gonna have a problem. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not, and I got every right to defend myself as a man. It's private property. You come up in here if you want. There's gonna be a problem. Just letting you know that. I'm not threatening nobody. I'm just letting you know my daughter's here, my wives, they're here. Like, I'm gonna protect mine. That's point blank period. So, it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? And if you can't respect that, it is what it is. All right, so y'all calling in? See what's going on. What's going on?
Yeah, we flexing or?
Y'all feeling good right now? Feeling good. We're not these
Video game platform.
It's what we are. So it promotes greatness and we practice it.
Find out. This is truly bisexual.
So I know some other people want to get to the federales being there, so I'm gonna get off now. Thank you so much.
Guys, how you run Carbonation, how you handled the federales today was impeccable. You held your own. It's just hard, so it's just nothing. Yeah.
And I was wondering if, like, you know how when, like, going vegan or vegetarian, I
Feel good with living the way that they're living right now. Like, for instance, if I told you to go vegan, vegan is an all